Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today, we're going to cover another wonderful AI of Wondershare. That is UniConverter. By the way, we already covered verbal and demo creator. They are all amazing. In fact, since I introduced the demo creator, I have been using this software to record all my tutorials, even this one. So I have a very high expectation for the UniConverter. What is UniConverter? UniConverter is amazing, almighty AI that can help us to handle enhanced image, video, and also audio. That is crazy. And for the audio part, it can help us to enhance it with a lot of the AI models, for example, like animation, and even we have a face enhancement. That's also crazy, right? So if you are a YouTuber like me, or if you want to record your life doing the vlog thing, then I think the UniConverter is the first AI you need to choose. This is the all-in-one solution for superior video conversion, compression, and even editing. So you can handle your video in different dimensions. That is crazy, right? And even up to 8K. So if you're a geek that's finding the edges of the technology, like using the VR, AR thing, you can use this tool to reach the limitation of the video. So it's total AI empowered, footage refreshed. So this is an all-in-one video and audio solution, and let's test if this is the best, okay? So let's go. First thing first, you can click the download button on the header and wait for a while until you see this and double click to install the software. And here we are. So this is the interface of a UniConverter. And first thing I can see is a converter button. So click here, you can upload your video. As a part of the name, converter is a big role of the UniConverter, right? So you can choose different format. For example, like you can choose the 8K video, 4K video, HD, different resolution, right? And also here is all the formats that you need. For example, like the MOV, MKV, M4V, AVI, and also different format of MP4, for example, like the HEVC, MKV, and everything you need, even DV, and some of the formats I never heard about. Right? And for me, because some device that produces different formats, and some of the format cannot be open in the editor. And before that software, I need to find a converter that can help me to convert from one format to another. It's really tired, right? And what's even worse, because some converter doesn't help. So this one is really crazy. And not only the video you can do, but also the audio, image, device, and editing, everything you name it, you have it, right? So I will upload this video to YouTube, right? So I can select here and find the correct resolution and done. And also if you want to upload to Facebook, they also have a certain patterns. They also have a certain format and resolution, so you can choose from. This is really convenient, right? And if you want to put it to the adding tool, you can find the Final Cut Pro, everything that you name it. And if you want to convert your video or audio or images to certain device to open, maybe you want to share with your grandma, you can find the exact device, for example, like iPhone 16, and down to iPhone 4. Wow, this is really amazing. Maybe your grandma use iPad, you can choose this. And also you have Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, Google. So if you want to add subtitles to your video, you can click here to upload your subtitle file. And if you want to add audio track, you can also add from here. Well, basically you're not just converting, you're actually editing, right? You can even add this video. You can rotate it and even mirror it. Because when you're facing the camera, the image will be mirrored, right? So you can click here to adjust that. And also you can change aspect ratio. So I can use this tool to convert this video from the landscape to portrait. And maybe you want to upload it to the TikTok, and you can choose this one. And here we can change the aspect ratio here, right? Wow, this is quite amazing. And remember, you can add more video to it at once. See, I added another video. We can click the convert all to run it one by another. This is crazy, right? So let's see if UniConverter can help us to convert this video to a 8K MP4 file, and click the convert. See, we have our results. The quality is amazing, right? And we can even download it or find where it is. Click here. And click here, you can go to the video editor where you can add in your video. So it's very convenient to have a video editor inside of a converter, right? So you can save all your actions to the preset and next time you can use it. And here in the video section, we have a lot of things to play. So here we have a chop. So you can change the aspect ratio. Maybe if I want to play around with TikTok, I can use this one, right? And aspect ratio, I can change to different aspect ratio, right? And also click this toggle button, I can rotate it or even mirror it. Click here, we can adjust all the adjustments of this video. For example, like brightness and contrast, maybe white balance. No, not touch it. Click 0. And also we can change the speed to double, triple, or make it a slow motion, right? And also we can add the watermark. So if you want to add a watermark, you can click here to add your image as a watermark, right? And if you want to click the test, and you can test your name to it. And you can change the transparency, everything you name it. You can make it customized. Very nice, right? But this video doesn't contain any audio because it's AI generated. And also we have export settings, so we can choose different formats, or we can change the file size. Because sometimes I want to send my friend via email, and they have a certain limitations of the attachment, right? So you can click here to change, to reduce the size of the file, which is great, right? And also you can click here to rename it. You can choose different format, which is really convenient. How thoughtful, right? And you can click here to change the place that you save your file and click the export. See, very easy, right? So you can add it just in minutes. And here is all the AIs. Remember, this is all the AIs, not one AI. And I will cover the audio and the image in the next video. This time, we focus on the video editing and video converter. So we have many tools, right? We have 8 of AIs, which is crazy. And click here, you can cut your video into 2. For example, click here. I'm looking for a tool that can help me to editing the videos, right? Because I'm a YouTuber, and I think this tool just come in the right time. This is so simple. I don't know if I should teach you because we have a pointer in the timeline, right? So if I move it to here and click this button, what's gonna happen? It will cut all the timelines before my pointer. And if I move to here, click this, what's gonna happen? Yeah, those videos inside of the timeline will be cut. And if I wanna split into 2, I can use this one. See, we have 2 videos now. And if this contains with audio, I can use this button to split the audio, which is amazing. How to control the timeline? Click here, or click here to back to the original place. And now we have 2 videos, right? So you can click the export. And the compressor is very important, like what I said before, because when you sending a big file to an email, or if you want to join a competition, maybe AI competition, you all can use this tool. So let's try. We have many videos. So let's click here. This file is not so big. We have 5 MB, and we can change to 4 MB. And you can click here to preview the video and click OK. And when you click the compress, the video will be resized. See, easily with the sound of a victory, you got yourself a smaller size of the file. Wow! And the video editor I already introduced before. Remember this one? This is a video editor. Wow. And let's test video enhancer. So we upload a video. This video also generated by AI, and I love all the video, but sometimes the quality is not so good. And I want to improve the quality. And let's click the export. Wow, it's down. Let's take a look. Wow, man, it's so much better. And let's try another one. So this time we have an animation style we can use. So you can choose the animate model, and we can choose the size to 4K. Let's check the results. I think you can see the comparison. You can find the difference, right? So we have a very enhanced video with 4K, and all the details more vivid, more detailed. And this one all blur. And click play. Nice, nice, really works. I think all my AI videos need to enhance by this software. Right? And this time I want to do face enhancement. And click here 4 times, click export. Wow, yes, check out the hair. The hair is different, right? And the face, the eyes, I think it's enhanced. You know, when I try different enhancement tool, I found that some tools that changes all the look and feels of your video, but this tool keeps the original look and feels, but only enhance the details, which is amazing. We have 5 enhanced model. So first is quality restoration and face enhancement. And for the animations, we have an animate enhancement. And here we have a general video denoise. Basically, when you're shooting by mobile device, sometimes you can find all the noises, right? And sometimes when you're shooting at night, you find a lot of noise. So you can use this AI to denoise the noises on your video. And here we have a frame enhancement, so you can make it more smooth. Let's try this one. So let's upload a video and click the export. Okay, let's click and play. Wow, very smooth, right? So actually AI adding more frames to our video make it more smooth. Wow, it's amazing. So I think every videos that are generated by AI requires an enhancement by UniConverter. And also we have a watermark remover, which is very suitable for those people who working in the e-commerce industry, because sometimes you need to remove the watermarks on the video. And also we have a subtitle editor. So if you have a video and you can click here, and actually you have many ways to add the subtitle. Wow. So first one is a killer app, I think, as well. It's Auto Subtitles Generator. So basically, if I upload the tutorial, our tutorial now, to this AI later, and click here, all my lines will become subtitles below. Wow, it's amazing, right? And also you can import subtitle from a subtitle file. And also you can click here to text to subtitle, and you need to type manually. And this one is the manual subtitles, and we'll click here. You need to type each subtitle in the timeline. And last but not least is a merger. So if you want to merge different video all together, for example, like this two, click the merge all. You can merge all of them into one video. That is crazy. So today I introduced 8 AI tools for AI videos. I hope you like it. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave in the comment zone. I will reply all the comments one by another. And I hope you like this video. I will see you on the next time. Bye bye.